Friends, welcome back to channel SciTech. In this video, I'm going to talk about the price changing details on the Realme GT Neo 2 device. Yes, when there's been a lot of circumstances where the price of this Realme GT Neo 2 has been changed, the overall price remains to be same, which is 31,999, but the offer, what we are getting is completely keeps on changing every time. In this video, I'll try to explain you from the starting to till now how many times the price has been changed in the Realme GT Neo 2. At first, so the Realme, when they launched the Realme GT Neo 2, they did mention that there will be two different sales. I mean, the first sale will be open for the Flipkart Plus membership users on the 16th of October, as you can see. And first sale will be going on the 17th of October, which is pretty clear. And special festival sale, which is for 7,000 off. First thing is that they did not mention any kind of bank discounts, nothing at all. They did only mention special festival sale 7,000 off, that's it. And later, if you try to go to the Flipkart website, there you will be able to find the results. So this is a screenshot which are taken on the first time. As soon as the Flipkart got updated with the Realme GT Neo 2, these were the statistics and the price difference they did mention. You can clearly see. So discount on the prepay or on the exchange, it's of 3,000. Extra discount on the exchange is about 2,000. And bank discount, you are getting about 2,000, which is SBI bank discount, because during the festival sale, SBI bank is there. So in this way, you will be able to get the discount. This is the first promotion which they did mention in the Flipkart. And this has been changed to the next price range. So this is the next price range has been changed to discount on the prepaid, it's of 3,000. Now they removed the exchange, and extra discount on the exchange is 2,000. Bank discount is 2,000. Right now, these are the details which has been updated. So first update got now. So those are the details which has been announced on the release of the Realme GT Neo 2. But right now, today date is about 16th October, and the Flipkart Plus membership, we got a chance to buy this Realme GT Neo 2. And right now the price and the offers quite shocking, because I'll try to show you. You can actually buy the device for about 25,499 rupees only using the SBI credit card offers. You're getting 4 offers on the SBI credit card, as you can see. I mean, the last offer is applicable for any other debit card and credit card, but top 3 are offers only on the SBI credit card. Can clearly see, friends, this is on the 16th of October, and this offer remains only for I think few minutes, maybe close to 30 minutes or 20 minutes, somewhere around that. And immediately the phone went out of stock, and after the out of stock, the price has been changed again. So now if you open the Flipkart website and if you try to buy, if you are Plus membership users, so right now you can actually buy for about 26,249 rupees only. So the previous offer which I mentioned, I think it was only for few minutes, maybe close to 30 or 20 minutes, as I said. So few of the users, they are able to buy the phone by using the SBI credit card by huge discount for about 25,499 rupees only, without even any kind of exchange. But right now they did remove the 750 offer. You cannot see any kind of 750 offer. As you can see, there is no 750 offer. Previously, there is a 750 offer is going on for the SBI card. As you can see, clearly see, friends. So 750 rupees has been completely disappeared from the Flipkart after 30 minutes of time. Once the phone went out of stock, and again when the users are actually planning to buy it, immediately the 750 offer is completely gone. Now you do have the option to buy at 26,249 rupees. If you have the exchange, if you want to exchange any other phone, then you do get the additional exchange offer as well. So I'm not sure, friend, why this much inconsistency in terms of the price range, because I'm getting a lot of comments regarding this one, whether this offer will be applicable for the tomorrow's sale or not, which is on 17th October, which is the first sale. So I'm not sure whether tomorrow we'll be able to see this 750 rupees off or not. So I cannot guarantee that, but this one I can definitely guarantee. Tomorrow it will be there. But this one I cannot guarantee. 750 rupees we cannot get further discount, I think so, again tomorrow. So I'm not sure, friends, why going all this trouble. Instead of, they can actually promote directly, saying that if you try to use the SBI credit card, you'll get instant 4,000 rupees off, maybe 5,000 rupees off. That makes a lot of difference instead of going through all this kind of offers each and every time. They keep on changing. It's not consistent. I've never seen like this before, because once the phone has been announced, once the price has been fixed in the Flipkart, it should be kind of same thing applied for the first sale as well, but it's not the case. So you're getting one different rate at the beginning, and again after some time different rate. So it's totally disappointing for a lot of other users. And I'm getting a lot of comments as well. You can see price has been increased, and a lot of people, they are actually commenting saying that why it's like that. You can see one of the users, they did mention that around 12 noon, so price offer got 25,499, and after 5 minutes and all the 5GB RAM variants has been completely out of stock, and after some time the price has been increased. So this has been situation with the Realme GT Neo 2. I'm not sure why they are doing like this, but this is just my thoughts about the Realme GT Neo 2, friends. And let me know in the comment section below how many of the users were able to buy this phone for about 25,499. Even for this price, it's really good deal, I would say. But still, these are the users who are really lucky to buy it for 25,499. I can definitely say that. That's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.